Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Canyon AT4. Nice bedside step. You'll see GMC Canyons now in the middle rather than down on the side. Then you got AT4 V6. Onyx Black over Jet Black in Kalahari. $43,030 is the total price of this one. Only app or options this thing has is the GMC infotainment system with navigation, driver alert package, trailer equipment package, and the Onyx Black. Yeah, pretty cool. So AT4 is its own model now. That's pretty awesome. Good amount of room in the back seat here. There's your floor mats. Here's your Kalahari stitching. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. So the AT4 is GMC's version of the Colorado Z71, though not on the level of the ZR2. We haven't got one of those 2021 ZR2s in quite yet. Definitely looking forward to that. So you can kind of tell it's not a full redesign. It's basically an update. I think these came out in 2015-ish. So it's just kind of an update for the styling. .6-liter V6 under the hood. It's GM's good old 3.6 V6. Variable valve timing. You can kind of feel the pull increase in the upper RPMs, and it really has an amazing sound. This is the same V6 that is found in the V6 Camaro, the Blazer, the Traverse, I think the Impala. They all use the same V6. Only one that's different is the 4.3 and the Silverado. It's the only non-3.6 V6 that I can think of for GM. while these big off-road tires do come into the cabin a little bit, other than that hum of the tires, it's actually pretty quiet in here. Bose stereo system works amazing. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.